Greetings. What up, everyone? Oh, that sounds so bad. What's up, everyone? Elliot here. I have some cool camping footage to share with you guys this weekend. Me and a couple coworkers went to a place by the name of Jemez here in New Mexico, and we did some camping, which I am not the best at, but I trucked it along, and I did my fair share. So it was a good time. We had a blast. My coworker took her dogs. They're the cutest things. You'll see them in the footage. We did some dancing. We did some cooking. One thing that I did learn is that some people are just a lot better at camping than other people. My coworker Sonia, who is one of the coolest people you'll ever meet, she is just a badass. She brought a Dutch oven, and we made these like gourmet pizzas that were similar to like pizzas you get at like fucking 5-star restaurants. She also brought some burritos and like red chili, and it was just thebomb.com. I felt like I was in like camping heaven with her. Her boyfriend Carlos is also amazing. He brought his dog Yoiko, who he rescued from the pound here in Albuquerque. She's the cutest thing. I think there's some footage of her just running around and frolicking in the little stream that was by our camping site. She was the cutest thing ever. There's also some footage of my other coworker, Julie Janes. She works in my department with me. She is one of the funniest, probably the funniest person I know at this moment in my life. She is not the biggest fan of dancing, but she did a lot of it on this trip, so you'll see some of that. And so yeah, it was just a good time. This is one of my many summer adventures that I plan on to go on my time off, now that I'm on summer break from working. So without further ado, this is Camping in Jemez 2017. Fuck yeah.
Pull it off, dude. Like Marvin! Think that's ready, babe?
I think one more minute, babe. More than ready?
Yeah, it's gonna be amazing! Do you have a headlamp, Elliot?
No, it's the light of my phone.
Just night documentation. That's nice lighting.
Yaiko.
Oh, what? She looked me in the eyes like I'm gonna fucking get you.
Oh.
A bit of a face plant. It's like parkour.
I know, seriously.
Why is she even on the wall?